Hi, everyone. It is Sunday, the 3rd of April, and um, I'm making this administrative video for you, and I'll continue throughout the rest of the semester doing this. That is either on Sunday or Monday. What I will do is I'll make an administrative video which indicates what you should be doing in the following week, starting that now. Number one, if I were you, I would review the segment from the New Testament, especially from the Sermon on the Mount. That's very, very compressed reading, and it requires very particular engagement to understand it. Kindly keep in mind that you not only have a very good translation of it, you also have my commentary. And in your place, I would go back over my commentary, look at my little segments in green highlight, and give some thought as to, number one, what those texts mean. And I know many of you have background in that. I mean, I'm very aware of that. And number two, how that fits into our course. Now, as soon as I complete this video, I'm going to make a video entitled "What is Philosophy?" And I know we've covered this before, but let me kind of compress it to the essentials, because I know that's very important as you're studying this. So you should be doing two things. Number one, reviewing the Sermon on the Mount in both versions, beginning to work on paper number 2, which is going to be due around the 17th of April, give or take. And the third thing that I would do if I were you is I'm going to post a couple more very brief fragments. Now, I don't want to require you to read them, but they might help you a little bit. Okay, so that's it. 3 things. Number 1, review Sermon on the Mount. Number 2, begin writing your paper. Number 3, look at the upcoming text, because you'll see they follow from what we're doing, and what we're doing now will have more context and clarity if you see where we're headed, because we're about to make a big move in the course. And I don't think that move is so difficult for you at all. I think it's quite simple, actually. But it will be helpful if you sort of see where we're headed. Now, I'm not going to have you do any work in the upcoming weekend other than write the paper. Okay, I don't want to do any more philosophical quests for a couple of weeks. I really want you to focus on your paper. The one thing I will do is have a Q&A, where you can ask me questions if you want. Okay, that's enough. That's 6 minutes, and thank you very much. I know the material is difficult. I know that the kind of thinking required in these philosophy classes is demanding. Okay. Also, I guess the final thing I want to say is, remember, the videos are put in 2 places. They're put in the middle of the classroom, and they're also put in the announcements area. I put them first in the announcements area and then send them to you. And then later on, I put them in the actual weekly modular areas. Okay, so thanks very much.